The Kent Saro-Wiwa Innovation Hub was founded by SDN and the Kent Saro-Wiwa Foundation in 2017. The hub has created relationships with Facebook and Google. It serves as a service point for all interested in learning digital skills to improve livelihood options. It offers a meeting space for groups to use for peer-to-peer collaboration, and it hosts start-up digital businesses to give them the best start possible. Based in the two-story modern center in the heart of Port Harcourt, the capital of the Niger Delta in Nigeria, the hub has been accessed by hundreds of people.
We've been largely inspired by the problems that continue to bedevil communities within the region, especially communities that have been impacted by oil spills and many decades of environmental degradation. But of course, as you're well aware, where there are problems, there are always possibilities. As SDN, we have been able to establish what some of those possibilities are. How can we diversify away from oil? And think about other opportunities there are for youth. And we looked at technology. You need your computer, you need your phone, and you need some data, and you're good to go.
At the Kent Saro-Wiwa Innovation Hub, we train people on different kinds of technologies, ranging from web development, mobile app, IoT, virtual reality, AI, and even designs. People who come for these trainings are young people, and some of them, after going through the training, come back to volunteer to train some other people. Most of these trainings are free or of very low cost.
Challenges several developers face in this part of the world is majorly light, internet, community, and mentorship, and also trainings. You go to some platforms, you spend a whole lot of money just to get trainings. But when you come to the hub, they give you free training, free mentorship, and you also have a community you can lean on to whenever you have issues. So, Mandela Learning Community, they want to equip African developers with world-class skills so they can now also have opportunities to work and earn money for themselves. KSIH has helped lots of this group like GDG, ALC, Follow, Facebook, Developer Circle, and so many other communities also, to help them, give them a space and give them light, and also a conducive environment.
I'm a participant of the Ken Junior Awards. What that means is that I take advantage of the space and the facilities of the hub. Entric Energy is a rural electrification and microgrid company. We go to communities that lack access to electricity, and we build large enough solar systems to handle their energy demand. Lack of support, mentorship, training, investors, and credit make building a business in Nigeria very difficult. Along with 3 other businesses, the Kent Saro-Wiwa Incubation Program is providing us with mentorship, business trainings, showing us how to better manage and build our solutions. We have access to a facility, offices, and even a business grant.
Ken Saro-Wiwa, as we know him, was a prolific Nigerian writer. He was also an environmental activist and a TV producer. He was definitely known for the role he played as an activist. In the 90s, he saw what was being done in Ogoniland. He got fed up with the environmental degradation of his land, and unfortunately he was killed. His name lives on in this hub by a foundation owned by his family, which is dedicated to supporting alternative livelihoods. This was started by his son, Ken Jr. What we do here in this hub is phenomenal. Over the past few years of our existence, we've been able to train hundreds of people who've gone on to own their own businesses here in the Niger Delta. They are also creating benefits, not just for themselves, but also creating economic opportunities, employment opportunities for people who work with them. The hub has been recognized internationally, and we received the award from the Nigerian Climate Information Center. And we're also in partnership with Facebook, Mandela, DevC. Within Nigeria, outside Nigeria, this hub is being known.